Aircraft towing is the process of moving an aircraft on the ground, using a specialized ground vehicle. It's a crucial part of airport operations and is used to move commercial, private, and military aircraft. Here are some tips for towing an aircraft. Use the right equipment. Use an aircraft tug that's appropriate for the job. Prepare the aircraft. Test the aircraft's brake system and prepare it for transport. Have qualified operators. Ensure that qualified operators are in place. Drive slowly and steadily. Operate the aircraft at a slow and steady speed. Communicate well. Maintain good communication with your team. Prioritize safety. Safety is the top priority. Be patient and alert. Stay patient and alert to your surroundings. Learn from experienced colleagues. Seek guidance from experienced colleagues as you learn. Avoid towing at night, if possible. Avoid towing at night. If you must tow at night, make sure the aircraft's navigation lights and the runway are well lit. Aircraft towing tractors are powerful vehicles that can move aircraft of hundreds of tons. They can be used to move aircraft to hangars, aprons, or from one area to another. The term apron is also used to identify the air traffic control ATC position responsible for coordinating movement on this surface at busier airports. When the aerodrome control tower does not have control over the apron, the use of the apron may be controlled by an apron management service to provide coordination between the users. Apron control allocates aircraft, parking stands, gates, and communicates this information to tower or ground control and to airline handling agents. It also authorizes vehicle movements where they could conflict with taxiing aircraft, such as outside of painted road markings. The authority responsible for the aprons is also responsible for relaying to ATC information about the apron conditions such as water, snow, construction or maintenance works on or adjacent to the apron, temporary hazards such as birds or parked vehicles, systems failure, etc. Procedures should be established for a coordinated information provision between the aircraft, vehicle, apron control unit and ATC to facilitate the orderly transition of aircraft between the apron management unit and the aerodrome control tower.